Would you warranty this ratchet? No, really, take a good look at it, and there are 3 things I want to point out. First of all, it's bent to shit. The grip is missing, and turn around, look at that, the drive is gone. Guys, even if you were wrenching with a Pittsburgh ratchet—
You're spending $230 on a ratchet from Snap-on. They shouldn't question you whether or not what you did to it. They should just hand you another one. Freight doesn't do that. You just go in, you hand them this, they give you another one, no questions asked. I can't tell you how many times I've broken the Torx bits from Harbor Freight. I mean, they're $9. How many times have I broken these? So all you do is you take it in, you give them a new one, and they give you another one. They don't even ask, right? I know this is an impact one, and I use it as an impact one. They just give you another one. They don't ask questions. And also, they're so cheap that what I started doing is I started buying some of the impact version ones that I was breaking just so that I had them just in case. And the other thing too is you could do, they're so cheap, you could buy a second pack, and actually I think I have one down there at the house, and then you're just good to go like that. I mean, come on, Snap-on, you're paying this crazy price. You shouldn't question what I did to it. Just give me a new one.